Mat's magical Kroeung. In a small, cozy kitchen in Cambodia, Bopha watched her mom, Mat, gather colorful ingredients from a woven basket. Today, Mat was going to teach Bopha how to make Kroeung, the magical spice paste that made every dish special. First, we start with lemongrass, Mat said, handing Bopha a long stalk. It gives our Kroeung its citrusy flavor and reminds us of the fresh breeze in the countryside. Next is turmeric, Mat said, holding up a bright yellow root. It makes the Kroeung golden and protects our bodies like a magical shield. Mat added, "This is galanga. It's like ginger, but spicier. It gives the Kroeung its strength. And garlic is small, but powerful. Just like you, Bopha." Mat plucked some lime leaves. These make the Kroeung smell fresh and lively, like the rain after it falls on the trees. "Now we bop," Mat said, placing the ingredients into a heavy mortar. Bopha held the pestle, her little hands working hard to mash everything together. Mat wiped her hands. Kroeung isn't just for cooking, Bopha. Each ingredient reminds us to stay strong, healthy, and connected to our traditions. Mat hugged Bopha close. This recipe is a gift passed down from generation to generation. You will carry it on, my little chef. They added the Kroeung to a bubbling pot of soup. It can be used in soups, stir-fries, and curries, Mat explained. It makes everything better. Mat and Bopha carried the food to the table. "Cooking is a way of showing love," Mat said. Bopha looked at her Mat. "I'm going to make Kroeung for my family one day too," she said proudly. And that's how Bopha learned to make the magical Kroeung. From that day on, every dish she made was filled with love, tradition, and a little bit of magic.